So here's using the tongs. So we'll place this on top gently, and then I'll just keep going. Alright, today we have this is a tool for stoking a fire. You can see here, this is the CKLT. The nice hang tag here tells you about the product. Excellent products and services with high cost performance. You can see that's the hang tag right there. It's a little springy, that's cool. And it has knurls here, really sharp teeth for grabbing wood. So if you want to grab wood, you don't have to worry about it slipping. Alright, so we're going to give this a try in a fire. We're going to start. Alright, now we got some worms going. So now it's the top-down approach with a fire, where you started from the top and then the embers, you keep feeding the embers, and the embers are what burn the bigger logs on the bottom. So here's using the tongs. So we'll place this on top gently, and then I'll just keep going. Look, even precision with the littlest branch, it's working. Even a piece of bark. So now we got some good flame going. Got air coming in from the underneath, and that's helping to keep a good fire going. It's very warm. Let me measure the temperature now. Yeah, we're over 1,000 degrees right now. Show you that on here if it'll work. You can hear the wood. The wood is letting some steam out now, because a lot of the wood is fresh wood. Now you can see the embers starting to form on the bottom. It's a good fire now. Now a fire like this with the top-down approach, you can, if you start with larger logs, like I only have 3-inch, 4-inch logs on the bottom, but if you started with larger logs, and even if they were wet, the fire would end up lasting all night, because as the fire burns down, it dries out the logs under the fire from the heat. Even though it's bringing up a lot of air with it, the radiant heat reflects all around. That's why even though the wind is going away from me, I can feel the heat coming off it. CKLT tongs. Yeah, so I did a top-down approach fire. This is the type of fire that you build larger logs to smaller, all the way up to the kindling on the top. And this is the type of fire that'll last you. If you use really large logs on the bottom, it'll last all night. But yeah, this is just in my backyard. I did a perimeter with some bricks. You know, we got a snowpack on the ground here from our last snowstorm. It's supposed to rain in a couple days. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, buddy. Fire. Fire. Yeah, I love the precision of these. It's pretty cool. No.
Nice. Perfect. That's awesome, man.
Yeah, they're really grippy. The ones I had growing up as a kid, my dad bought, they were smooth. So like,
Yeah, well, the nice thing is, I guess they're stainless.
yeah, I like that it has this flat end on the.
Yeah.
For
Smaller stuff.
yeah. You can see, so now it's been a couple of hours, and we're burning this, and it's still going. So yeah, it's a great way for a fire. And you can see it really grips the wood well here. Yeah, look at it. Grips it well. See? It's good stuff. So now I'm going to put the fire out.